So this rock here is a type of granite. It's called gneiss, spelled G-N-E-I-S-S, gneiss, but pronounced gneiss. And it's made up of three components. The pink is feldspar, the white is quartz, and the black is mica. So depending on how liquid it was and bubbling away here, you'll see it like cookie dough, kind of congealed in different striations to it. So this rock here, we see feldspar being predominant because of that salmon paint color to it. Other places you see very black, lots of mica. Quartz tends to cluster. I'm sure
We
you've
got
all
a lot
seen
of quartz
those.
in Wales.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Same idea,
Yeah.
going through there. So this goes all through this pan of rock is basically North America. And so when we get the Alvar, which is limestone, that's on top of this. So when you go south of here, the granite rock was a little lower. The seabed was there. We have the limestone into it.